close, wait! Oh no! Don't say! We are on our way to Mandela Square. We're gonna see how it looks like that side. And there's two naked women on our wall. Quite cozy here. That's our view. There's no view here. But look at the clouds. It rained. It looks like it's gonna rain again. So we're going to the Mandela Square, but we're gonna go to the Gautrain. I don't know how it works. So we first have to go to ARE to the airport, and then from the airport we grab the train, and then from there we go. We are on our way to ARE. Then from ARE we're going to the train, Gautrain, and then going to Santon City, where we're gonna wanna see the big Mandela statue. On the way to the Gautrain.
you will hand up sitting up with only the handle.
Yes, I must be very careful here because they grab stuff here, so I'm gonna be very careful.
You're taking a video?
Yeah, I'm taking a video. So we're on our way to the Gautrain, so we have to check how it works this side. You can take videos here, but I'm taking my chance. If they say you can't, then I switch off, yeah? Hey. You go in there, and then you get the tickets there, and then we register there. There's the train. It's closed, wait! Oh no! Don't say! Another 19 minutes because the train left us because the lady's so slow. McDonald's. We are gonna get McDonald's.
Yes.
Okay, so I found the smiley faces over here. I wanna go and check and see what we can get. Pikachu! What is that? I lost Leon in him. I lost my crew. I lost my people. Oh, there they are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are now at the food court. So we are looking for McDonald's. McDonald's. McDonald's, where are you? The McDonald's is not at the food court, so we're gonna hunt. We are hunting for McDonald's. McDonald's saga.
No, that's wealthy.
McDonald's. We'll be next door there. McDonald's. Okay, so we're happy now. We got McDonald's.
Find that big M.
Okay, so we are going to McDonald's. We got our McDo. We got a McDo. Pharaoh to open up so that we can have brunch. And I'm back off to, what is that place? The sentence today. For breakfast. This is breakfast, brunch. That's food over there. There's so much food. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to eat. Hello. He's rushing because he needs to play poker very, very soon. I can't wait to go back, and I don't think Tristan will enjoy the mugs. I don't think I'll get him a mug. If he does see this vlog and he tells me that he wants a mug, I'm gonna be in trouble because I didn't get him a mug. So let's see what else is here that we can give for them. But everything is just sweet stuff, and I've already given them so much sweet stuff. Oh my god, look at that. That is awesome. It's like a choco fountain. All you chocolate lovers out there, come out here and eat some chockies. Mario told me one time he wanted to do a saxophone. He wanted to play saxophone, but since he hasn't yet, I'm gonna get him a saxophone bag. Okay, one of the things we need to go when we go to Joburg or when we go to any other place is take some toys for the kids. So yeah, let's go to Toy Kingdom and see what we can get for them. Oh, look at this. What is this? A flying sphere. Tristan? Tristan, do you want this? I think I'm gonna get you this. Yeah? Okay. Here you go. For you. So I got the red one for Annie and the blue one for Tristan. I hope they like it. Okay guys, so we're gonna stuff this little Care Bear over here. I never seen a hard Care Bear before for such a long time. So this is gonna be for Annie. For me. bear. Like a baby bear. Care bear, heart bear. There she is. It's a bell bear. Hope you like this one, Annie. I have no idea what to get for Tristan, so I'm gonna go on the Nerf gun side. I'm sure he will have something here that he wants, right? Okay, there's so many Nerf guns, but I think what he would probably... there's all these. Looks like he's got them already, but I'm interested in this. It's got a HD camera. Nerf gun HD camera, so yeah. There you go. So we're gonna take this. So this is gonna be for you, Tristan. Hope you enjoy it. I have no idea how I'm gonna carry this all the way back to the hotel, but I wanna try.
So nobody sees the trouble I see. I just wanna be successful. One night and I don't wear a in the coscora. Cara do gas and on the best or a pipe kind of shit with lesser kind of shit with yola. He don't got the Congo or Peñara.
We're in Namibia now. It's cold and wet. Yeah, it rained here. So the ground is wet. There's our plane. Hello, Maya. Oh, so bright. It's nighttime here, but it's 7 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, we're on our way home. Gonna see how the kids are. I miss them.